Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look at a reality in the stock market that can be unnerving and disturbing, and it is what is generally called the elevator up type of phenomena in the stock market, which is very prevalent, and stocks tend to take time in gaining gains over a couple of months and years, and yet on the way down they tend to take the elevator down. So the staircase up, elevator down phenomena. And let's take a look at some examples here recently that a little bit concerning as to why it's difficult sometimes to understand how the market is responding to your investments. You can see here, for example, SUNE. It took about 2 years to move from about, let's call it about $4, $6 here, all the way to 32, about 2 years. So we're talking about a 300% gain in 2 years, and it only took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months to lose all of those gains. So that's the disturbing aspect here, is it is very tough to make money and easy to lose it. It seems to be the underlying factor here. You can also see a recent movement in this stock that did well for us, but when it jumped from about here, I think it was 88 cents or something in that range. But what you can see here is, just take this level here, $4. It took about 2.5 months to move from $4 to the highs of 15, but it took about 2 weeks to move from 15 all the way back to $4. So there you see the reality there is that it is easier to lose money than to gain it. Take a look at EROS, which was doing well in 2014, jumping from about $9 or so, and would go on to trade to the highs of 38. So you're talking about a nice moving stock here from 9 to 38 in about, just call it about 2 years or so. But it only took about 5 months for the stock to lose all those gains. So again, you see that tough on the way up, takes time, but losing it is very easy and swift. Let's take a look at another one here that imploded today, and it is CLVS. Again, you see here nice run up from the middle of 2014 to the middle of 2015, moving from 40, let's call it $35 to 115, a nice upswing, but it only took 1 day to lose all that gain. And so you can see today the stock is down about 60-70%, losing all of these gains for the last year. So you can see that it is tough to make money in the stock market in terms of the way things play out over time. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Good luck, peace, and blessings. Woo!